Hey guys, welcome. This is how to claim the 112 EUSD token airdrop. So all you need to do is go to your Trust Wallet app and click on the apps. You find the apps down here. So once you click on it, go to the description in the video and copy the link. Then paste the link in the apps. Once you paste the link, it will take you to this website. So once it takes you to this website, what you need to do next is to change this network from Ethereum to Smart Chain. So click on Ethereum and click on Smart Chain. Now it is now on Smart Chain. So all you need to do is click on claim airdrop. So for you to claim this airdrop, you need at least $0.2. You need about 19 cents to claim this airdrop, 90 cents of Smart Chain. So I click on claim airdrop, then I click on connect. So once I click on connect, I will be giving them the approval. So I click on approve. So you can see, once I click on approve, then it is automatically sent to my wallet. So I can just exit this browser and go to my wallet. So guys, let me refresh. So once I refresh and scroll down, so you can see this is the EUSD. Once I click on it, this is how to get the 112 EUSD token. So guys, that's it. Like this video and share to your friends, then ensure that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can get updated when I drop future videos. Thank you.